We're just going straight down the list. So the next question with 5 likes is from Corinne Tagliarina. I hope I'm saying your name approximately correctly. And Corinne's question is, does your data look solely at how rights are experienced, or does it provide any information on where legal guarantees of rights exist, even if they're not being fulfilled? So Chad, I think that's probably over to you.
Yeah, hi, Corinne. I know you. It's good to see you here. As it stands right now, you could measure or think about measures of human rights in sort of 4 broad categories, and that's sort of principles, like how much have states signed on to international human rights treaties, policies, how much do those sort of human rights principles find their way into law, practices, which is like how does the state handle its human rights obligations, and then sort of enjoyment or fulfillment, the degree to which individuals are enjoying their human rights. As it stands right now, HRMI is really focused on the practices side of those sort of 4 categories. So all of our civil political rights measures as it stands are measures of practices, the degree to which the state is meeting its obligations. Most of Susan's data that we post are really about whether the state is meeting its obligations. And so we don't currently have a lot of information on our website about legal guarantees. Now, this is something we've talked about a bit in the past, and I think as we grow and expand, this is something we would like to capture more of. I mean, obviously the UN Office of the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights has some good information on this at the UN level, but we don't have a great data set for all of the different overlapping legal obligations states face when you include like regional obligations and domestic law and all those kinds of things. So I think down the road, we would like to expand and really cover the basis of not only all rights in practice, but also all rights across these sort of 4 kinds of enjoyment and measurement of human rights. And so that down the road, I hope we get there, but we're not quite there yet. Right now, we're pretty solely focused on practice.